Hello and welcome to the Accounting Program Information Session. My name is Lisa KJ and I'm the Program Coordinator for the Accounting Programs on the Kingston campus. There are two program options in accounting. We have a 2-year Business Accounting Diploma as well as a 3-year Business Administration Accounting Diploma, which leads to the Advanced Diploma. The first 2 years are common in both programs. So that means everybody, regardless of which program they're enrolled in, will take the exact same courses in the first 2 years. So really the difference between the two programs are that in the 3-year program, you will add an extra year of studies at the end, which of course will then lead to more currency in the profession in that you'll have more courses, more accounting content in the 3-year program. In addition, the other key difference is that there is no placement in the 2-year program because the placement is what we offer in the final year, in 3rd year, in the final semester of the Advanced College Diploma program. This page provides a program overview. In the core business programs, we offer a common first year. So the core business programs are general business, human resources, marketing, and accounting. So all of these programs offer the same courses in first year to give students an opportunity to first of all learn about the various streams in business. And in addition, it buys students some time to still make a decision in that first year in case they may be undecided in terms of which program to choose for their upper years and for their major. In the accounting program, you will have the opportunity to experience different areas of accounting, including financial and cost accounting, corporate finance, auditing, as well as taxation. So you'll have courses in all of these areas in the upper year of the accounting programs. We also offer job-related IT solutions that students will get hands-on experience in, including Microsoft Office and primarily Excel, which is very important for the accounting profession, as well as tax and accounting software. So you'll have courses in all of these areas so that you'll have that applied skill to bring to the job market. In addition, we also provide experiential learning opportunities to build that career readiness. So things like learning by doing, not just memorizing content. So things like case courses, case studies, working with actual business owners, working with real life projects, networking with professionals, talking to guest speakers, industry professionals, all those things is what we try to build into the curriculum. As previously mentioned, students will also have a placement if they're in the 3-year program. So in that final semester in 3rd year, there will be an accounting work placement where students will go out into the field for 4 weeks of full-time work. And so it is unpaid, but at the same time, it's great experience to put on the resume. And of course, a great networking opportunity as well. And the accounting courses are taught by highly qualified and a really motivated faculty team. So we're there to, think in an innovative way to always bring a great learning experience to the classroom. And we always try to put students first, so that we try and do everything possible to support the students and to make them be successful in what they're good at. Our program is lucky to have really great statistics in terms of our employers with whom we work really closely. So the career prospects for our students are great, and we have lots of great opportunities that wait our graduates, and they can be really broad in terms of the employment opportunities because really a graduate from the accounting program can work anywhere in business where we're dealing with money. So it could be in an accounting/bookkeeping type environment, working for an accounting or finance department in any business, maybe in tax or in a tax office, public accounting, in finance, banking environment, or really anywhere in business, getting into potentially management, or even some students are getting into entrepreneurship and starting their own business. So really plenty of opportunities that await. And then in addition, many graduates actually we've seen in recent years will pursue additional post-graduation opportunities, including the BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration program, which is a 4-year honors degree program that we offer here at St. Lawrence College. That has been a really popular pathway, as well as we see some of our graduates also then kind of keeping course and pursuing the professional accounting designation with chartered professional accountants as well. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to talk to you or to communicate with you. Again, my name is Lisa KJ, and I'm the program coordinator for the accounting programs on the Kingston campus. The best way to reach me at is through email, and my email address is lisakj@sl.on.ca. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you in the live Q&A session.